We are working on a 2010 Town and Country, same as the Grand Caravan, and we are removing the multifunction switch. Next thing we have to do is to remove the 3 Phillips head screws that hold the column cover on. There's one here, and one right here. So we got to remove those now. Now we can separate the column covers. That's the top one. Now you don't have to remove the bottom column cover. Once you have the top one removed, you can get out the switch. There's a little release button right here. Push that towards the front, and then the switch will come right out, just like that. Now we can get at our electrical connector. To remove the connector from the switch, there's a little button right there. We'll just press that and remove our connector. So that's all there is to removing a multifunction switch from your Grand Caravan or Chrysler Town and Country.